These have got to be the flyest orthopedic shoes I have ever laid my eyes on. I kid you not. The only thing they missing is the Velcro, but needless to say, the simplicity behind this sneaker is pretty fly. When I first seen it, I was like, yo, I kind of like these. I actually kind of like these sneakers, but needless to say, we're gonna get off into these sneakers a little bit more, but y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and give me a like. Go ahead and share this video. Go ahead and drop me a comment. Make sure you subscribe too. Make sure you subscribe. It's a lot of y'all that watch my videos and is not subscribed, so I need y'all to go ahead and subscribe, all right? Without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go. The Yeezy Bully is making waves even before its release. It's bold, aggressive, and rumored to be a game changer in the sneaker world. But what makes this sneaker so special? In today's video, we are breaking down everything that we know and everything that we can predict in regards to the Yeezy Bully sneaker. From its rumored design to its potential cultural impact, this sneaker just might be the most talked about Yeezy of the year. Stick around as we dive into the design, technology, and hype surrounding the Yeezy Bully sneaker. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all right? That way you can be entered into the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I am still hosting a giveaway, guys. I will be giving away a hat. So make sure you liking, commenting, and sharing. I gotta keep saying it so I can remind y'all because y'all not doing it. I need y'all to subscribe, like, and comment. All right, let's continue this. First off, the name Bully, what does it mean? It suggests something that's bold, commanding, and unapologetically dominant. Qualities that might define the sneaker's aesthetic. The name alone sets the tone for a sneaker designed to turn heads and spark conversation. From leaks and concept art, we're hearing that the Yeezy Bully sneaker might feature an oversized sole, aggressive lines, and a futuristic silhouette that feels both rugged and avant-garde. It's possible that this sneaker could draw design inspiration from the Yeezy 500, but with a more exaggerated and intimidating twist. One thing's for sure, the Bully will be polarizing. Its chunky silhouette might not appeal to everyone, but for Yeezy fans, this could be the ultimate statement piece for streetwear in the year of 2025. You can style this with oversized cargos, you can style this with puffer jacket, you can style this with layered hoodies to give it that Yeezy aesthetic. I mean, if you have Yeezy gear, them sneakers will definitely go with it. And trust me, I have so much Yeezy gear. If you was very prominent with all of the third-party companies that was selling Yeezy gear, I mean Exclusive DNA, Paris Saints, Los Angeles Archive, then these sneakers will definitely go with all of those pieces. Yeezy has always prioritized innovation and comfort and performance. If the Yeezy Bully follows in the footsteps of the Yeezy 350 or 700, we can expect cutting-edge cushioning technology. If Adidas includes Boost in the midsole, we're talking about unmatched comfort and energy return for long wear. Alternatively, Yeezy might introduce something new, possibly a hybrid of lightweight foam and rubber for durability and support. Yeezys are known for their snug, sock-like fits and lightweight designs. The Bully sneaker could continue this trend by offering an ergonomic fit in key areas like the heel and the tongue of the sneaker. What do you value most in a sneaker? Style, comfort, or a mix of both? Let me know in the comments and I'll be sharing my personal thoughts at the end of this video. The Bully might not be designed for sports performance like basketball or running, but Yeezy's focus on comfort makes it perfect for streetwear enthusiasts and casual daily use. That said, the aggressive outsole might offer decent grip and stability for light athletic activities like walking or gym sessions. Given Yeezy's use of high quality materials in previous models, the Yeezy Bully sneaker will likely feature a durable rubber outsole and reinforced stitching for long-term wear. So what I'm getting from all of this, all right, and which I'm trying to figure this out, because it seems like if they incorporate synthetic overlays, it could reduce wear and tear, which in all reality will make the Bully sneaker more ideal for rugged and urban environments, which means you could probably like really be hitting the pavement in these sneakers and really getting it in these sneakers, and they're gonna hold up pretty good, which is a good thing because who doesn't want a durable, withstanding sneaker that you can wear with anything and you can wear everywhere and do anything in? Sounds like a win to me. But there are some things to think about, such as, will the sneaker be durable enough, light enough, being that they are have a chunky design to wear every day and still be comfortable? Who knows? Yeezy has a tendency to find the balance between bold aesthetics and practicality. So with that being said, Yeezy just know, all right, they already know and they got a feel for how to balance the design of a sneaker and making sure the sneaker is comfortable, all right? Now the sizings may be off. We already know how that go with Yeezys, all right? Especially with Yeezy boots, because I'm gonna tell you right here, when it comes to Yeezy boots, the sizings is always off, all right? You always gotta go up in size. So let's hope and pray that this Yeezy Bully sneaker is true to size. And something else too, the most important thing, y'all, we need to make sure that this sneaker stays within the $20 price range. And honestly, not something we need to do, but let's just hope that it stays within the $20 price range, as his most recent releases are in the $20 price range. But you just never know. This sneaker could come out at $50. It could come out at $100, could come out at $200. Who knows? But we're gonna hope that it stays within that $20 retail price. Y'all sleep if y'all ain't drinking coconut water. This shit bust. But what's more important to y'all, a bold statement piece or something you can wear every day? Go ahead and drop that in the comments. I'm curious to know what y'all think about this right here. Even though the Bully sneaker hasn't officially dropped, it's already creating waves in sneaker communities. On social media, people are debating whether this will be Yeezy's boldest design yet. Hashtags like Yeezy Bully and BL-01 are trending, and the sneaker world is split between excitement and skepticism. Some people are calling it a future classic, while others are comparing it to past Yeezy hits like the 500s or the foam runners. If the Bully follows the usual Yeezy release model, then 9 times out of 10 is probably going to release in small quantities. They're going to have a little bit of inventory, and it's probably going to make it that much more of a sell-out sneaker. Resale prices could possibly skyrocket, especially if the sneaker lives up to its hype as a bold statement-making design. I mean, look at the Yeezy foam runners. I mean, their retail price was what, $75, and then now you have a price of $200, but I'm sure that depends on color and just different styles. But to start out, the Yeezy foams were selling for $75, and it's kind of like what I said previously and early on in this video. Like, this sneaker could potentially be more than just $20, even though everything prior to was $20, but this one could be a game changer for sure. Love it or not, the BL-01 continues Kanye's tradition of challenging the status quo in sneaker design. This sneaker could redefine what it means to mix bold fashion with practicality, inspiring other brands to follow suit. The Bully's bold design could make it one of the most talked about sneakers of the year, but let's get into some of the pros and cons of what we know thus far about this sneaker. Here are a few possible strengths about this sneaker, all right? So, unique silhouette. The sneaker has a very unique silhouette, high quality materials for durability, and the versatility of how you could possibly style the sneaker with streetwear pieces. Now, we already know just based off of the colorway, black. Anything goes with black, especially a lot of the Yeezy pieces that we all have purchased in the past, from Los Angeles Archives, Exclusive DNA, Paris Saints. What's the other one? I feel like I'm missing one. But yeah, those. This design and the colorway of this sneaker makes it that much more attractive to just any type of wear that you may have in your closet, especially what we have all purchased over the course of what, the last, I don't know, year or so. On the flip side, this sneaker might not be for everyone, so let's talk about some of the drawbacks. Polarizing design may not make this sneaker appealing. It may not be popular. It may not be all that. The sneaker potentially being heavyweight, because it's a chunky shoe. So most shoes that are chunky are heavyweight, so they got to make sure whatever they're making this shoe out of is durable and it's not heavy. That way this shoe could be more comfortable for everyday wear. So that right there is a huge drawback if it is a heavy sneaker. And also, the sneaker being produced in large amounts of numbers, 9 times out of 10 it may not. When they release this what the hell is a snoo? When they release this shoe, it may only be 100. It may only be 200. They may not release enough for everybody. So that is a huge drawback, because everybody may not have access to this new sneaker. So with all that being said, y'all, I feel like I done talked y'all head off enough about this sneaker, just based off of what I could find on the internet, just based off of what I could find on social media. So y'all go ahead and drop it in the comments and let me know what y'all think about this sneaker. Do y'all feel like it's a cop? Do y'all feel like, nah, you're gonna pass up on it? Do you think this sneaker lives up to the Yeezy legacy? Or do you feel like, I don't know, this may be the one that's gonna really knock them off the market and probably plummet? Let me know what y'all think. Go ahead and drop that in the comments, all right? If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a like. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, because as I stated in the beginning of the video, right? You motherfuckers ain't subscribing, and I need y'all to subscribe, all right? So make sure you liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. Stay tuned for more to come, all right? Make sure you're doing all those things so that you can be entered into the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm already at 1770, all right? And before you know it, we already gonna be at 1999, which is one more to 2,000. So I need y'all to make sure that y'all liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel, all right? But as always, fam, peace.
I keep trying for you. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. You took my love. You took my love. Call me when you need some. Call me when you didn't I tell you what I believe? Did somebody say that a love like that